The Scots are going on vacation. They are going to travel by plane. They are packing their bags. Sarah is very excited.
I can't wait to be in the plane.
The taxi is here. Let's go.
I'll put your bags in the trunk for you.
Thank you very much.
Where can I take you?
To the airport, please. Can you drop us off near the entrance?
Yes, sure. Here we are. That'll be $8.50, please.
Thanks for the ride. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice flight.
What are we gonna do first, Mom?
First, we need to go to the check-in counter.
What are we gonna do there?
We're gonna check in our bags and get our boarding passes. Let's go.
There is such a long queue of passengers here.
Don't worry. We won't have to wait long. Hello. We would like to check in.
Hello. Can I see your tickets and passports, please?
Yes, of course. Here they are.
How many bags are you checking in?
2 bags.
Can you put them on the scale, please?
Yes, sure.
How many carry-on bags are you taking with you?
2 bags.
Does that mean I can take my bag on the plane with me?
Yes, Sarah.
Okay, here are your boarding passes and your passports.
Thank you.
You will be boarding at gate B2 at 12:10.
Okay, thank you very much.
So where are we going now, Dad?
We're going through security now. Hello.
Hello. Put your bags on here, please. Empty your pockets, and put the contents in the tray.
What is this machine, Dad?
This is the X-ray machine that looks inside things. Now we have to step through the scanner. I'll go first.
Now it's my turn.
Here is your bag.
Now we need to go to our gate. Let's take the escalator.
We are going to wait here for the boarding announcement.
Why are we passing through this tunnel, Dad?
This is the boarding bridge. It takes us directly to the plane.
Welcome aboard. I hope you enjoy your flight with us today. Here are your seats. You can put your bags into the overhead compartment.
Mr. Scott is sitting in the aisle seat, Mrs. Scott is sitting in the window seat, and Sarah is sitting in the middle.
Mom, can I sit by the window?
Of course you can. Let's switch seats.
Please fasten your seatbelt, because the plane is going to take off soon.
Look, we're flying. This is so amazing.
Now it's safe to unfasten the seatbelts.
What would you like for your in-flight meal? We have chicken and rice, or pasta.
We'd like chicken and rice, please.
Would you like anything to drink with that?
Yes, I'll have a glass of lemonade, please.
And 2 glasses of water for us, please.
This is your captain speaking. We are about to land, so please fasten your seat belts.
Are we going to the hotel now?
First we need to go to the baggage claim to get our bags.
Thanks for watching.